In this video, we're unboxing the new Mini Maxx from Traxxas. Coming up. So I thought we'd take a break from the Pew Pew content and do a little bit of a RC unboxing here. Before we unbox it, I want you to take a look around behind me. What color do you think I got? Here's some hints. There's my TRX4. Take a look at my desk chair there, the wall, or even my small scale stuff. Probably even the Pelican case that it's sitting on. I'm sure by now you can tell that I got orange. All right, so let's go ahead and get this opened up. I have not opened it yet. I've been wanting to, but I wanted to do this video. I think it's the charger. A couple things in the end here. That was stuck in the end here. Is that taped in? I'm guessing that this is the battery. Got a 3500 milliamp hour battery. And yeah, that's the USB-C charger. Looks like some extra shock spacers and some tools. And the transmitter. And there it is, my orange Mini Maxx. All right, here is the Mini Maxx side by side with the Mini Summit. So I picked up the Mini Summit used for like 180 bucks, and I can honestly say dollar for dollar, money spent, this is probably the funnest RC vehicle that I own, just when you're comparing it dollar for dollar. Not that my other stuff isn't fun. Even my small scale crawlers cost more than this thing. So you can see that the wheelbase is essentially identical. Now for some reason, I don't know why I was thinking this. I thought they were going to be very similar on the inside, and they're really not. As you can see, they are set up very differently. So the wheelbase is about the only thing that they have in common. Width-wise, I'm guessing, yeah, they're width-wise, they look to be the same too. But the Mini Summit feels like it's got more travel. And for a quick size comparison, here it is next to my Maxx. I would like to get the full set eventually and get the X Maxx, but time and money. So we're going to see if we can find a skate park to take this out to and have some fun with it. I've never been out to a skate park with my bashers, but I'm excited to try it out. I'm going to take my Maxx and the Mini Maxx and see if we can have some fun out there. Is this too high?
Oh, crazy. That's what I left. I thought that for a second too. I was like, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Not quite. Missed it by that much. Yeah, I was like, it was
You don't quite fit.
Does not fit under here. Shit. You going all the way through or you going back? I'm trying to go back. Oh, you got a good scratch across the windshield. Oh, yeah, that's all right. Has that already been there? No.
That's not healthy. Oh my god. Yeet! Oh god, that's water. Pay attention. Oh. Well, I know I can bore you with a lot of footage, but I won't because there are better channels out there than me. But that's my first run of the Mini Maxx. Really liking it. It seems to be a little bit more stable than the Mini Summit, so I definitely like it a lot. A lot of fun. I haven't broke anything yet. Fingers crossed. But I'm also not as aggressive on it as other channels, especially like Kevin Talbot. If you want a fun RC channel, check out his. I'll put a link in the description. because if you are into RC and you don't know about his channel, I don't know what you're doing. Of course, orange, everything, because orange is my favorite color. And if you see my Tacoma videos, my Tacoma's orange too. So I'm also not going to be upgrading this to the 3S. It doesn't need it. It gets really uncontrollable, especially a lot of videos. They break a lot of stuff when they do 3S, so I have no intention of doing that. I might do stuff like the GTR shocks or whatever, but that's just because they're orange. I like it a lot, and definitely worth the money, so make sure you pick up a Mini Maxx. I think we're just going to call it there, so that's it for this video. We'll catch you on the next project. See ya.